In a 40 square foot kitchen, every cubic inch is a high value asset. If your cookware isn't earning its keep, it's a tax on your workflow. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a spatial efficiency audit. We wanted to see if a single, modular set could maintain professional-grade output in a minimal footprint. We measured functional density, the ratio of a tool's cooking versatility to its storage footprint. We analyzed decision fatigue by tracking reach times and cabinet extraction cycles. The results were revealing. By switching to a high-density, nesting system, we reduced decision fatigue by 35% and reclaimed 60% of cabinet volume. The set we chose utilized a triply metallurgical bond that allows for seamless transitions from induction to oven. This eliminated the need for specialized bakeware, further thinning the inventory. In our live fire testing, the streamlined inventory resulted in a 15% faster meal prep cycle. Fewer tools meant fewer cleaning cycles and a zero-clutter workspace. You don't need a bigger kitchen, you need better engineered gear. In the workshop of the kitchen, density is the ultimate luxury. See the full workflow logs, the storage density charts, and our top-rated small space set at cookwarescout.com.